Hi! In front of me is Nokia 230, and today I would like to show you how you can add photo to text message on this device. First of all, you need to access menu and go into messages. Then tap on create new message or select one of your chats. When you're ready, click on options on the left, pick add image and select OK. Now you need to pick a photo that you wish to add. In my case, this one. Then click the middle button, and as you can see, after that my photo was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!